In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to help you discover people you already know, syncing your contacts is a simple way to do it. This can make it easier to connect with coworkers, classmates, clients, or other professional contacts who are already on the platform. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to access it from your LinkedIn account. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home page you usually see after signing in, where posts, updates, and network activity appear. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you a consistent place to navigate from, no matter what part of LinkedIn you were using before. Once you're on the feed, look to the top area of the page and click on Patsint. This is the profile and account menu that gives you access to personal settings and account-related options. When you click it, a drop-down menu will open, showing several links connected to your profile and preferences. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the controls for your account, visibility, data, and other personal preferences. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. You only need one specific option for this task, and it's easy to access once you're in the Settings section. After the Settings and Privacy page opens, find and click on Sync Contacts. This is the area where LinkedIn allows you to connect your contact information so the platform can help identify people you may know. Once you open this section, you'll be able to review the available options related to contact syncing and discovery. At this point, LinkedIn may prompt you to confirm permissions or continue with the sync process, depending on your account status and whether you've used this feature before. Take a moment to read the information on the screen so you understand what LinkedIn is accessing and how your contacts may be used to improve connection suggestions. A helpful tip here is to periodically review your synced contact settings, especially if you use multiple email accounts or devices. Keeping this organized can make your suggested connections more accurate and relevant. And that's it. By going to your LinkedIn feed, opening the Me menu, selecting Settings and Privacy, and then choosing Sync Contacts, you can quickly get to the feature that helps you find people you already know. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process clear and easy to follow.